Stop bribing your kids with stickers and screen time. It's actually killing their long-term motivation.
Ugh, this is so boring. Why can't I just play?
Leo, eat your broccoli and you can have this cookie.
No, I want the big toy. A bigger one like this.
Predictability is the enemy of discipline. When a child knows exactly what they get, you start.
The secret isn't consistency, it's unpredictability. Welcome to the mystery box mechanic.
This is intermittent reinforcement. It's why video games are addictive, and it's how we'll make chores a quest.
Whoa, a quest. Let's do this.
Step 1. Categorize responsibilities into 3 difficulty tiers. We call these mundane, heroic, and legendary tasks. Mundane tasks like making the bed earn a common key. Heroic tasks like finishing homework without being asked earn a rare key.
Wow, a common key.
The harder the task, the higher the stake. This removes the if-then negotiation and replaces it with the quest. But what's inside the box? Not plastic toys. We're using experiential tokens.
Mix low-cost immediate wins with rare legendary pulls like a weekend camping trip or a yes day.
Wow, a camping trip! This is the best! Now, the ritual. The mystery draw must be a high-stakes family event. Dim the lights, play the music.
The drum roll pose ready. Let's do it.
Here we go.
The randomized nature of the reward creates a massive dopamine spike, solidifying the habit 10 times faster than a sticker.
What if they fail? Don't punish. We frame it as a reloading phase. You haven't lost, you're just gathering more energy for the next quest.
As the months go by, you increase the difficulty. The goal is to move from winning prizes to winning at life.
Turn your home from a battlefield into an adventure. For more tiny wisdom, subscribe to our world.